In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the April natural gas futures, which had a small rebound today after a dramatic move lower from a cycle high, which also happened to be the highest level for the natural gas futures contract, going all the way back to December 27th of 2022. That high happened on March 10th. And the move lower on the 11th and 12th took NG down by 16.6%. Today, nat gas did get a move higher all the way up to 4.195, which was up 2.72% after making a low of 3.955, which is down 3.16%. And with a little bit of time left in the session, we are still up, but just barely sitting above the flat line. And that could change by the time the futures officially close. Looking at natural gas demand for the next week, we should be at very light demand through Sunday with a slight increase in demand early next week. High pressure will be covering most of the interior U.S. this week with very nice highs of the upper 50s to sort of the low 80s, which will keep demand, I should say the average demand for the level of the country, light. The west will be mild with some areas of rain and snow in the mountains mostly, but with comfortable highs from the 40-degree to 60-degree range. But then as that system tracks across the rest of the country early next week, you could see temperatures in the interior and northern U.S. drop a little bit, bringing demand up from light closer to moderate. We also have the weekly EIA storage report today for natural gas, which printed a draw of 62 billion cubic feet, larger than market expectations of a 50 billion cubic foot draw and slightly larger than the 5-year average of a 56 billion cubic foot draw for this time of year. Supplies dropped from 1,760 billion cubic feet to 1,698 billion cubic feet, and deficits increased from 224 billion cubic feet to 230 billion cubic feet.